Hello everyone. So I hope you enjoyed the last lesson. So today we are going to do some listening, some reading and some writing. Okay? So today we are going to do the sound I want you to repeat after me. Er. Er. So let's read together. Nani is a beautiful girl. Nani is a beautiful girl. Today is a special day because it is Nani's 13th birthday. Her first present is a beautiful skirt from her mother. Then her father gives her a flowery shirt. Her third present is a bird toy. The bird toy can chirp. Okay, one more time. Nani is a beautiful girl. Today is a special day because it is Nani's 13th birthday. Her first present is a beautiful skirt from her mother. Then her father gives her a flowery shirt. Her third present is a bird toy. The bird toy can chirp. Okay, so let's look at the words. Girl. So I hope you know what a girl is. Okay, in our class we have girls and boys. Then you have 13th. Think again, numbers. 13th. Okay, then you have birthday. Okay, I know all of you know what a birthday is. Then you have first. Do you know during sports day you have first, second and third? Okay, then you have the word skirt. Okay, girls wear skirt. Okay, then you have the word shirt. Do you wear a shirt to school? Yes, you do. And you have the word bird. Okay, a bird. Okay, and finally the word chirp. Okay, chirp is the sound of a bird. Now I want you to say the words out loud. Birthday, birthday. Shirt, skirt. First, circus. Bird. Third, girl. Alright, based on what you have read, now we are going to do some exercises. So here you have three questions. Okay, three questions. We are going to read together and we are going to discuss the answers. Okay, so I hope you are ready with your pencils and books. Okay, you can take down the question, okay, and the answer. Please take your time. Okay, you don't have to rush. Okay, the first question. Why is today a special day? A special day, and then you have a picture of a birthday cake here. What does that mean? Today is a special day because, can you remember whose birthday is it? Yes, it is Nani's birthday. So the full answer would be, today is a special day because it is Nani's birthday. Second question. What does Nani get from her mother? What present did she get? Can you remember what we read earlier? And can you see this picture? What is this? Yes, Nani gets a skirt from her mother. And the third question, what can the bird toy do? She got a bird toy. And what sound can a bird do? The bird toy can chirp. Correct. Now you have the complete exercise here. You can read this, you can write it down in your books, and then you can write the questions and try to answer these questions in your books. Once you're done, you can take a photo of it and send it to me personally. Now it is time for spelling. I want you to be ready, okay, with your pencil and a piece of paper or your books. Okay, I will say the word and I want you to listen carefully and patiently and write down the words. All right, are you ready for the first word? Okay, the first word for today is birthday. Birthday. The second word, girl. Girl. Do you remember how to spell the word girl? Number three, shirt. Shirt. Okay, think, listen carefully. Shirt. Number four, skirt. Skirt. Look at the skirt here. Okay, skirt. Next, first. First. Number six, bird. 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 Next you have circus. Circus. And then you have third. Third. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I hope you could spell all the words that we've learned today. If you have time, you can do a video of your reading and send it to me personally. Thank you very much.